it's Anna. Welcome back to our channel. So we finally made it to Disney's Fort Wilderness Resort and Campground. I had to look at the TV because I keep messing up the name. Anyways, we just got here, so we wanted to do a quick room tour because we are here only for one night. So this was kind of like a bucket list location and a splurge kind of stay. So we're super excited. It's raining cats and dogs. Literally the last like hour and a half driving into Florida was insane. It's like monsoon out there. So anyways, let me flip the camera and show you this amazing cabin. It is so cozy, beautiful, rustic, just amazing. And Aiden is already like, I want to stay here every single time, and every single cabin needs to look like a Disney cabin. We're clearly very excited. All right, so this is the door. I can't go outside because it is raining. If you see the towel, we put one towel that I got at check-in just so we can keep the area dry. I can't even tell you how amazing this place is. Like, I want to stay here for a week. Like, I want to stay here for a week. It is so beautiful. It's amazing. We do a lot of camping in cabins, and this cabin is amazing. So over here we have my little baby Andrew. He's a little moody because he literally fell asleep 5 minutes before we arrived. So this is a pull-out couch. Couch looks very comfortable. I think Andrew approves. Lots of windows, lots of lights, the TV. This area, gorgeous. Like, I'm in love. Look at this kitchen. It's like full-size fridge. All of these cabinet space. I know it comes pretty much fully stocked. Oh my god, amazing. I don't drink coffee, but yay for Joffrey's coffee. Just amazing. So from what I understand, this is a microwave and also an oven. So very interesting. I'm gonna see if we'll actually get to use it. All right, let me come this way. Do we have more lights? Maybe over here. Okay, here we go. All right, so we have another window. We have a mirror and the bed. Here's the bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. Like, I love all the details. Everything is just so nice. I'm so excited. This was a surprise for the kids. It was like I said, it was a splurge. Yes. Okay, Aiden is obsessed with this room. So go ahead.
I just think it's cool. We got the bunk beds.
Go ahead, show us.
There's a lot of things. There's the safe. There you got the ironing board. All the other pillows. I would assume like kind of like a makeup area, maybe like where you could do your hair, blah blah blah.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good.
Window,
dresser.
And you even have a light up here if you can see that.
Oh yeah.
So if I hop in here.
This is so cute. Oh my gosh, if I was a kid, this is a dream.
Wait.
This is a dream.
Can I even get this?
Maybe it's one of the bigger lights. No? There must.
Difficulties.
Maybe there is a light.
It's somewhere.
Okay, that's okay.
We'll figure it out.
So, and this bed is a queen size bed, so it's pretty roomy. I do have to say, like, there's plenty of space. The TV, I've heard many people complain about the TV because it's a little bit off-centered, or I should say it's like hanging off the edge, but I think it's made for the purpose that you could turn it and both people on the bunk bed and here can watch it. You want to go? Go. Go ahead, baby, go.
Go.
Put your iPads up there and go. Yeah, look at you. Go. Go ahead, all the way. All the way. Go ahead. You got it. No, you're not gonna fall down. Go ahead. Mommy's gonna help you. Go ahead. I hold you. Go. Yeah, just like that. Good job.
There you go.
And now you can take a nice nappy.
I want to go up there.
You like it? Oh my gosh, you guys make me so happy. After a long...
I want to sleep up there though.
You can both sleep over there.
I'm joining in.
I pulled back a little bit, so this is another door that goes to the porch area where we had the kind of, I guess, like a picnic table. I'm a parent and I like that this is high, and especially so, you know, if you have little kids, that's amazing. I like that. And then there's the extra lock, and like I said, it's raining and everything is blue in there. We're in a blue world. But that's the other door. And Aiden just turned on the light. Oh my god, it's just so beautiful over here. Look at that swampy swamp. I'll take more tomorrow outside, but or if it stops raining later on. Okay, I gotta come inside. Close the door, please. Thank you. You have your thermostat over here. Yeah, so just overall beautiful, well-themed Disney cabin. I love it. I love it. And the painting is beautiful. And this one is gorgeous too. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, this is the next day. So we're checking out. It's foggy because it's so humid. So this is kind of like what we didn't get to show you. Backyard.
It's our swamp one. Where the alligators are probably.
But otherwise, it was good. It's really, really cute. Bye, cabin. Until next time. I guess put that thing over here, yeah, somehow. To know if you're checked out or not.
Yeah.
All right. Well, this was our cabin. This was our little neighborhood. Very cute. 22:31.
Bye.
It was awesome. Definitely will have another full overview, but it was great. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was short, but we just got here. We wanted to show it to you while it's nice and clean before we brought everything in. If you have any questions, be sure to leave it down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.